Welcome back to my channel. We are going to make a stylish backless bubu dress with this fine fabric. And please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, share it for others to see so that they too can learn and watch. Please, let's get started now. Now I will be folding out my fabric. So I will fold it in one piece first. That is, I want to cut it one after the other. So what I'm folding out here is the front piece now. So, and it's cut together. That is, the sleeve will be formed inside. So please watch this video and also share it for others. So I folded it now, and then I will go ahead now to take my measurement length. So I will take my tape rule in doing that, and length starting from the upper side to get my length is 39 inches that I have here. 39 inches. So that is my 39 inches. And what I folded here is 18.5 inches. So we are going to work on this 18.5 inches for the body. So as for the neck, I'll go ahead now to mark my neck 5 inches, and the front neck line will be a bit up. So I'm marking 3 inches for the down part for the neck, and then it's a round neck like this. I'll curve it, and then to bring down the shoulder slope, I'll go ahead now to mark 1 inch, and then using my hand like this to just slant it down a bit. So that is for the neck, and that is for the shoulder slope. And then for my armhole where our sleeve will form out, I'll go ahead now to mark 10 inches, and then we'll just take it because it's a bubu, so it's a free dress. So I'll just take it like this. You can see from the armhole place that I mark, which is 10 inches, and then just take it like this and take it down. So by the time we want to sew, we use 1 inch to sew it down to the back and the front together. So this is our bubu dress now. This is how to cut it. So but as for the back side of the neck, it will come down a little. So you also see what I will do there. I will also use, you can use elastic for the back neckline or use a rope. So what I will going to do, I will use the fabric to form the rope and also fix it using my safety pin to do that. All of this I will show you. So this is how to cut the bubu dress, and this is the front piece that we are doing now. So it's just like this, very simple. So all you have to do is just to watch this video and watch it to the end and see the techniques or the way we just cut it out, and you are good to go to make your own. So this is the first side of it, that is the front part, the front piece. So I will now go ahead now to cut. Remember, it's 5 inches that we use for the neck, and to slope it down for the neckline is 3 inches. So let me cut it now. I'm cutting the neckline now like this. So that is from the front neck, and that is the front piece that we are working on first. So that is it. So let me take it to this side a little so that I can be able to reach it and cut. So this is it. And the bust, since it's a free dress, what I folded is 18.5 inches, and the actual bust of this measurement is 42 inches. So we want it to be free. That's why we are making it like this. So by the time we sew it with ½ inch or 1 inch, you will not see the excess that will make it to be that bubu. So you can see that this is how to just cut your free dress or bubu dress. So this is the front piece. So let me use this one to cut the back piece now. To cut my back piece now, I also folded it like this. So it is a length 39 inches, and the body parts, that is the width, is the same. 18.5 inches. So the difference is that is the slope for the neck back, but as for this place is the same 5 inches. And to bring the depth of the neck is what is different, because this is where the style of the back is. So I'm be marking 9 inches, and I will also mark 6.5 inches like this. So by the time we open it like this, it will be wide. Why making it to this extent is that we want to pass that our rope on it that will make it to gather. That is for the down part, that is depth of the neck. Then I'm going to connect it now from here that I marked 6.5 inches to the neckline that we have 5 inches like this. So that is it. And then to slope the shoulder, so we are going to mark 1 inch also to slope it. So just slope it like this to the place that I marked that 1 inch. And from there, we also mark 10 inches. Remember, it's 10 inches that I marked at the front piece for the armhole side. And then just connect it like this. So let me bring the front piece and lay on it so that you can cut it the way it is exactly. The difference is just for the neck. So this is it now. You can see what I'm doing now, placing it together. So that is it. So let me place it like this so that I can use it to cut the body so that it will correspond. It will be same size, the same measurement. So let me cut now. So I've done with the back. So just for me now to cut it. And after that, I will pull out this front piece that I laid on it so that I now cut the back neckline exactly what we really want. So that is it. So I will take it out like this. First, let me also cut the neckline side like this. So this is it. And remove it like this to continue cutting it to slope our shoulder. So I've done that. So what I will do, I'll just take this one out like this, and then now cut the neckline like this. So this is it now. And come to it like this and cut it to the point that we have here now. So that is it. Take it out. So we have cut out the back neckline. Now you can see the difference is clear now. So what I would go and do now to the in the machine is just to go and fold it and also cut a piece of rope and also sew it and turn it and iron and come and pass it. That will now gather a little at the down part, at the depth of the neck. So let me do that now. I'm going to cut out the small rope that I will go and use and fix on the neck. So just half inch is what I'm going to use. So I will go and sew it and turn it out and I use it to pass at the neck depth. So let me do that too. So this is the way the back neckline is. So I'm going to run a stitch on it, and also for the rope. So this is it, and I have my safety pin. So what I will do now, I will just use it now to pin like this, and then pass it through the neckline now. So I will do that now. So having a place that I open, so I will just pass it like this, and then just be taking it like this. So this, you can see what I'm doing, and this how that gather for the back neckline will now form out. So you can see, just be putting it little so that it will not stop. So as for the rope, that is the belt, so you just continue to fix it and also pass it out for a place that I remain for opening. So let me, you can see now, this is it. So using my pin to pin it. So I'm using my pin now to pin it down. This is it. Pin it like this so that it will not pull out. Now drag it out like this. So you drag it out. So this is the neck now that is gathering now. So you can see that our neck is forming now. So this is it. And also, as for this, I will cut it out. I will cut it out now. So the back neckline like this has formed out. So you can see. So let me do it now. So I'm still showing you how the back neckline will be. So we have another belt that we put at the back, and this is the one. So I will take it like this. I've used my pin to pin it like this. That is what I will go and do on the machine by stitching it. So I will also place it like this and go and stitch it like this, taking the other part of it and place it like this too to go and stitch. I hope you are seeing it clearly. Camera is showing you very well for you to see. So this is how I'm going to pin it, and I will now take it to the machine to go and stitch, and our neckline that we are trying to get will now be achieved. So this is the back side now. So I will cut out this remaining one. I'm just placing it like this first. So I will cut it out. So let me do that now for the back neckline. Go and stitch and then join the body part by 1 inch throughout the body. So I will do that now. So our bubu is ready now, as you can see. Also with the neck, this is the neck. Now the front side is what I'm showing you. I will also show you the back, but that is the back is what we really work on for the depth of the neck. So this is the front, and this is how we came to achieve our bubu stylish backless dress. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. So let me also show you the back side of it now. So this is where we really work on. So I want to show you how it is. So I hope you are seeing it. You can see where we gathered, and you can see the neckline. We also face our belt that we use and cross the neck. So this is the back side of it, and this is what I will really say we really achieve on this bubu. So please always watch my video, please guys. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. Share it for others to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.